Hi guys, we are Ash and Joe. After months of research, we have finally bought ourselves a van. We went for a T350 Ford Transit long wheelbase van. So today we're going to try and make this headliner black. So I bought some fabric dye. So I've just put, the bottle comes with 500ml, I've put 100ml in this with 100ml of water. So I'm going to see what it looks like. So this is the headliner. We've pulled the headliner out. It's grey and we're just going to try and spray it black. So let's just get right into it, no messing about. Let's see how it looks. Get the spray nozzle nice and thin. You don't want it to come out like that and droplets on it. Oh.
Nice.
Whoa, what's going on? It's spraying all over my hands.
Don't go anywhere near the fabric thing.
It's going well so far. Is that working?
Yeah, I mean there's some darker droplets than others.
Yeah, hopefully won't keep on a full coat. I can't lift my pants up and you're going to be filming my bum. Lift my pants up. Alright, Jesus! Okay, so that was 100ml of a 500ml bottle, and I'm actually really impressed with the first coat. So let's do the second coat.
Leave it to dry first for an hour, and then you do the second coat.
No, it is dry.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just going to do half a coat, 2 coats. So we've used the whole bottle, 500 millilitres we used. This is how it started off, and this is how it's finished looking. We are super impressed. It looks darker than it does on the camera, but yeah, it's really good. It's very even, very dark, so yeah, really impressed. It's all dry. It only took a few hours to dry, and yeah, really impressed. So I'm just going to stick them next to each other. There you are. That's how it started. That's how it finished. Couldn't be happier. There you go. That's how to spray your headliner black. And we'll put the link for the product and everything in the description. So if you want to buy the same dye, then you can get it from the description below. Peace! Join us next time as we show you how to remove a wind-driven fan and cover up the hole left behind. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and hit that bell so you know when we bring out more videos. And follow us on Instagram at itscreativeginge.